Now guys, we are going to learn how to tape the donut, how to make the donut on blister. I am having this blister here. So first take a tape. What kind of tape is this, Shivank?
This is normal doctor tape.
Normal doctor tape. Okay. Now just roll it. Basically we have to make a donut kind of thing.
A donut and place it on top of the blister. Make sure it's surrounding it from all the sides.
Okay.
And then once we have done that, then we can put some cotton in between the donut.
Okay.
So that when you wear the shoe, there is no pressure from outside
On the blister.
onto the blister directly.
Okay.
And if in case it bursts, there is cotton inside to soak the liquid.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the size?
This is quite bigger than yesterday. Just see how to make the knot, and you have to make a round shape kind of, just like the donuts.
Do you have any? Do you have your eco bags filled, all of you?
No, mine is completely.
अभी यहाँ खाली कर दिया
कर दिया ऑफलोडिंग बड़ा तो नहीं है Now we have this.
You can see this round shape. It's a donut. Please explain.
So this, like you have this blister over here. No. So we place it on top of it like this. So there is no pressure from outside directly onto the blister.
Okay. So you can see the main blister point is in the middle, and round the corner there is tape, which is made in the shape of donut. That's why it is called a donut. Now we'll take some cotton. As Shivang has said, if it bursts, the cotton will soak all the liquid. Generally you will get blister on paved track.
Blister can, like, usually happens when there are new shoes.
Okay.
So they are not used to, like your foot is not completely
Used to walking.
Yeah, and you're walking long hours. So that usually happens.
Okay. So now tape it off so that it doesn't come out. It's a temporary remedy, not to cure the blister, but to make it sure that while walking the blister doesn't make pain. And yes, don't burst the blister yourself. Thank you so much, Shivang. Thanks a lot. He's our team leader. Thanks a lot.